Two leading password managers, 1Password and Bitwarden. Which one really delivers? On the left, 1Password, feature-rich and user-friendly. On the right, Bitwarden, the open-source, budget-friendly option. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what matters for your security. We'll score each category, and in the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you.
All right, before we jump in, here's a quick mind map so you know exactly what categories we're checking out. Price, security and transparency, features, compatibility, ease of use, and sharing and collaboration. Don't worry, we'll hit each one and figure out where each product shines or kind of flops. First up, price. So 1Password, it's actually packed with features for what you pay, which is nice if you want the whole enchilada. But honestly, there's no true free plan you get to keep forever, plus no guaranteed refunds. You're pretty much committing. Bitwarden, on the other hand, oh man, it's super budget friendly. You can start at just 83 cents a month. And they even offer a free tier, so if you're someone who loves free stuff, that's a win. Plus, their 30-day money-back guarantee is a sweet safety net. Premium stuff is locked behind paywalls, though, just so you know. If you care about saving some cash, Bitwarden takes it here. Now, security and transparency. Both these guys use beastly AES 256-bit encryption and the whole zero-knowledge deal. You're not getting hacked anytime soon, but here's where things get interesting. 1Password has this secret key you need for extra authentication. It's like a special ingredient for security nerds. Downside, it's closed source. So if you want to peek under the hood, you gotta wait for their audits. Bitwarden flips the script. It's open source, super transparent, tons of developers obsess over it day and night. You can totally see what's going on. No secret key though, just standard tough encryption. Honestly, both are solid here, so it's a tie. Let's move on to features, because, well, who doesn't love shiny extras? 1Password is honestly kind of ridiculous with its toolset. Autofill works smoothly, the interface is great, and travel mode, you can temporarily remove sensitive passwords when traveling. How cool is that? Plus, Watchtower alerts you about breaches, there's auto backup, 5 GB of encrypted storage, and you even get login history tracking. Downside? No self-hosting, so you're under their umbrella. Bitwarden is more DIY. The password generator is super customizable, and for the privacy geeks, you can actually self-host the whole vault yourself. They've got secure sharing, up to 500 megabytes files, and a decent 2 gigabytes of encrypted file storage. Not gonna lie though, autofill feels a bit clunky, travel mode is missing, and there's no automatic backup. For sheer features and convenience, 1Password grabs the spotlight. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Bitwarden is actually one of the only password managers out there where you can host the server yourself? If you're big on privacy or a hardcore techie, you can run your entire password vault on your own hardware. That is honestly impressive. Compatibility time. 1Password lets you put it on unlimited devices, plus the usual browser extensions are there. The only thing is there are just a couple fewer browser options compared to Bitwarden. Now, Bitwarden seriously goes all out here. It supports pretty much every browser imaginable, even Tor, Vivaldi, DuckDuckGo. If you're into weird browsers, you're covered. Works across more operating systems too. Interface isn't as fancy, but hey, the reach is crazy. So for compatibility, Bitwarden's your go-to. Ease of use. 1Password's kind of like that slick new phone everyone picks up and gets right away. The onboarding is easy, design looks sharp, unlimited devices, it's a breeze. Bitwarden is simple, but honestly, that's mostly if you're a tech-savvy person. Sharing your account is easy, but if you're a regular user who's not into tweaking stuff, you might hit a little learning curve, and the look, not as modern. So if you just want something to work and look good, 1Password comes out on top. Last but not least, sharing and collaboration. So 1Password makes it stupid simple to share passwords in your family or team. And you can even share login update history, which is neat. But sharing files? Bit of a headache. Bitwarden, meanwhile, lets you securely share both items and files, with handy options like automatic expiry or deletion if you want to nuke things later. Great for organizations, honestly. Both are really secure and flexible here, so it's truly a tie. Okay, let's throw it all together visually for a sec. Imagine a chart showing all our categories: price, security, features, compatibility, ease of use, and sharing. It's pretty clear. Bitwarden knocks it out for price and compatibility, while 1Password steps up for features and ease of use. Security and sharing, that's a dead heat.
So who's this all for? If you want something super straightforward, good-looking, and packed with extras, especially if you're traveling or your whole family wants in, 1Password's probably your best bet. But you know what? If you're really watching your wallet, love transparency, or want to tinker with the back end, Bitwarden is absolutely worth a shot.
Was this comparison helpful? Go ahead and try out both, especially since free trials are up for grabs. See which one fits your style before you settle down.